Yeah, like this is quality. This is quality, okay? You can't get better than that. Today, we're unboxing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pigment Volume 2. I had to get it once I got Volume 1, and it's also like 50% off on Sephora right now, so you might want to run. Literally, as soon as I felt how like buttery smooth and how amazing this palette was, I knew I missed out not getting the other one. So I was super lucky it came back in stock, and let's unbox it. So excited. I saved this for you guys and obviously for myself too. So let's do the honors and just get her unboxed. I'm really excited, to be honest with you. This has been like just kind of sitting there for a few days because we had a few snowstorms. So I'm like, when are you gonna come in? Get in here already. I want to see you, and I want to see what the colors are like. I love Sephora. They always package stuff well, so I really appreciate that, especially when you're buying eyeshadow palettes. Ooh, I love samples. So excited to try that. And I got one for my husband, so that's awesome. Their boxing is just next level. Look at it. The packaging is awesome. And let's open it up. I like their packaging inside too, because it's less likely to break. See, it comes kind of wrapped into this black container, which is pretty awesome. That's beautiful. There it is. Even that is just beautiful by itself. I really like that. Let's open it. Let's see if anything's ruined. I'm nervous, but oh, nothing is ruined. Hallelujah. I'm going to show you guys the palette. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's literally outstanding. I needed more green colors. Like, you literally just, that's ridiculous. That's so beautiful, to be honest with you. Let's swatch a few so you can, I'll let you know what they feel like too. I really want to swatch E3. And yeah, literally feels like butter. Feels like butter. Okay? Look at the pigment. Look at that. That is literally so nice. I'm not even kidding you. Like, that's nice. That's nice. Let's do D4 too. That beautiful yellow.
Oh, wow.
Very good pigment, especially for a yellow. Yellow is hard to get payoff. Now, I'm really dying to check D3, that beautiful hot pink. So let's check that as well. The texture is just ridiculous. I'm so excited. Look at that pink, okay? I'm going to be able to do so many cool looks with that. I always need a deep dark pink, especially when I do pink avatar. Love it. Let's check B5, this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous blue. Yeah, like this is quality. This is quality, okay? You can't get better than that. Like, that's honestly amazing. And I have to check A5 too. With what finger? I don't know. Let's check with this side. Yeah, literally. Outstanding. Outstanding. Okay. And oh, I'm pretty sure A4, this one right here, has a shift. Yeah, it's a purple gold. It's a purple gold. Do you see that? I love a dual chrome. Didn't even realize that was in there until it's in your person, because dual chromes kind of show up better in your person. Let's try A2 as well, this beautiful yellow. I can't get over the way they feel. Oh my god. That's a gorgeous yellow. A little chalky, but to be honest with you, the payoff is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I know how to make a palette, y'all. Look at this. So pretty much every color on here is like amazing. Amazing. If you guys want more swatches, I can definitely do more and swatch the whole thing. But this is 50% off at Sephora right now. If you are really into makeup or anything of the sorts, this is such a good palette. It really is. I love it. I'm so happy that I got it, and I'm so happy I have the other one too. Like, I'm kind of spoiled, so I'm really happy to have both of these. I think these are so awesome, and for $40 for how many colors are we talking here? Like, that's amazing. And I love pinks and purples, so that's the other palette. I think it's out of stock right now, but if you put it on your reminders, it definitely might come back in. Who knows? I hope so. It's really, really worth it. So if you're thinking of getting this palette or the other one, if you can get it, you definitely should. It's like butter. It's actually like literally pro pigment. It's not lying. It means it. It is pro pigment here. So I hope you can get your hands on it. And tomorrow I'm doing a Grinch look, and I was waiting for this palette to come in to use some of these greens. So I hope you guys get to see that, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!